Good morning, everyone. It's been a week. Happy Sunday. We're going to be getting into some web development type stuff. But first, Xilbe is super interested in a little bit of playtime. So while I'm sort of explaining what we're doing, we'll do some, where is it? We'll do some cat cam. So anyways, the plan today, I wanted to work on a project that that's gonna like integrate some kind of like database system so we can use Hasura with Rust. Like that is something we want to do. But I also want to I want it to be like a real project, not just like okay, we're gonna make a to-do app or a shopping list app or any of that stuff. I want to do like for reals now. Now we've done like just the basics of Hasura. So now I looked through my list of potential projects, and one of them stood out to me as pretty interesting. I was thinking of doing a sort of like a custom token point, whatever we want to call it, system for the channel. Eventually, maybe even like beyond just Twitch. If I could do it for YouTube viewers and maybe like website viewers and other things, that could be pretty cool. So this is something I've been wanting to do since the channel point system. We sort of didn't really meet my expectations with like what we can do with it. Namely, I can't like reward points. I can't like see how many you all have, so it's very hard for me to like determine what I should what the reward should be. And let's see. I mean, those are the two big ones. And also, like, I want to be able to do them outside of Twitch too. Like, I want to be able to reward people for like hanging out with YouTube as well. KO2 fan, hello, 30,000 channel points. Yeah, so I'm thinking about something slightly different. Like, not gather too many together. I think possibly. Like I can get something where I can see the channel points, but if you're not watching live, channel points mean nothing to you. So like I also want to figure out something to do with like a point system that works for offline mode. Plus also it's a good exercise. So I was trying to figure out how to like do this, and I came up with a couple different ideas. And a Twitch extension, I think, is going to be like the first good step. Here's my thought. We put the Twitch extension below. If you're on the desktop, that would be down in the about section, so like in the panels. And then we like, you have to like give it access to like, you know, access your name. So you have to like click on it and say like, yes, I want to give access to it. And then if you do that, it will routinely send just, hey, I'm here to a backend that we create. And then we can, then I can use that like, hey, if you're there and it's routinely sending that, you get a point. That way you can get them offline too. Darth Millennial, hello. This is Xilbe. This is our this is our little cat. He's what, year and a quarter old now, almost a year and a half. We got him when he was 10 weeks old as a rescue, and he's been on the stream as a super young kitten for a while. He didn't want to hang out with me on stream, but I've been playing with him down here more often. So now he actually wants to hang out, I think. And I've not made a Twitch extension before, so that's also going to be like part of the experimentations, is like sort of learning how to do that. I did look and like did a little bit of research on some other streamers who have done this exact same thing, where they've created like a point system for their viewers, and they're doing the same thing. That's also why I'm sort of like pulling from this example is or why I'm planning on doing this way is like it's working for them, so therefore I know that it can work. The examples are broken. The developer rig has too many bugs, not usable. Yeah, I wasn't planning on using a developer rig because I want to I want to see how much Rust I could implement in with this. Although, like, I did a tiny bit of an example, just not using Rust at all, and it worked just fine. So I am confident that we're going to figure this out. I'll show you what I have so far. I'm thinking Xilbe's maybe a little bit done. So I've got a right underneath this big stand that you see, like the little tree. There's a little tunnel area, and he's sitting in there just staring. But he's not going for it. You want to switch to static toys? Or you maybe there. Oh, almost. Yeah, so we'll have to take a look at our choices too, for how to add things in. One thing I did notice in my sort of testing is and I can do back to main. I'll keep that up in case he shows up. Plus here, B.